What's up guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna talk about Pixel 3a, 3a XL. These are the lighter version of Pixel 3 and 3 XL. You know, those devices are high in price, those are flagship devices, but now Google is providing you lighter version of those devices with lower price tag. Those are the big dogs and these are little puppies. So if you don't have enough money to buy those big dogs and you want yourself in the Pixel environment and have a Pixel smartphone, you can buy these Pixel 3a and 3a XL. Google has teased a video, and in this video they have announced the announcement date of those devices. This device is gonna launch at 7th of May. Google is also promoting Avenger Endgame movie along with the devices in their store.
There's a 23-hour slowdown.
Aliens again.
Rerouting you.
Unbelievable.
Hey Google, pick it up. Hey Google, memory focus playlist.
And got it. Oh man, Cap is right behind you. I want to play with it. Action pose. 3, 2, 1.
Hey Google, what do we do now?
Whatever it takes.
Pixel 3 with exclusive Avengers Endgame Playmoji. See Marvel Studios' Avengers Endgame in theaters April 26th.
The case images of these devices have also showed up on the internet. For your kind information, these devices have large bezels. If these things don't bother you, then you can buy this thing. And you are also getting the headphone jack on these devices. If you are into that thing, then you have got this. The device has a single back camera and there is a single front facing camera. I don't know how much they are pixelized, but you don't need to worry about the camera quality. You know, Google has that software processing which makes the image cool and better than the competition, so you don't need to worry about that thing. But you should keep in mind the image quality not gonna be as high as the big brothers. There is a fingerprint scanner on the back. You are not getting the gloss finish like Pixel 3 and 3 XL on these devices. You likely get a plastic finish on these devices. So there must be some distinctions in some areas. So you feel you are paying lesser than those devices, so you get that feeling. Okay, so that's that. And on the bottom you are getting a USB Type-C port. The Pixel 3a has 5.6-inch Full HD display and the 3a XL has 6-inch Full HD display. These devices don't have the OLED panels. These are typical LCD panels. And again mentioning, you are not paying that price. You are paying less. So you get the feeling you are paying less and you are not getting that quality on the display. Besides all of this good talk in favor of Pixel 3a and 3 XL, now I'm gonna mention the price of these devices. The Pixel 3a has priced about $490 and the 3a XL has priced about $600. So this is the price when you can get a flagship device from Xiaomi and Honor in this price tag. You are getting these little bitches, and to be recognized as the lite user of Google Pixel and to get that logo and feeling that you are the Google user, that's not the thing. Okay, we have to understand, when you can get a flagship processor in this price tag, why you gonna buy that thing? And this thing is on you. Okay, you're gonna buy that thing, you have the money, you have the right, whatever you buy. I'm just saying, this is my perspective. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you get the notification. Until next time, peace out.